And so it's happened again. Another weekend, another set of games cancelled because the pitches are waterlogged. And this week, I'm unable to find a replacement game. So what I then did was I went to the park and thought, I'm just gonna fool around with the cameras, grab a bit of wildlife, then still come and talk to you guys. So the video today is gonna be really short. If you follow me for a while, you know that I shoot professional sports in the Premier League, League 1, League 2, and the Championship. I shoot with a Sony A7R V and a Sony A9, and I have an A7C II as a backup body, but I'm gonna sell that. So what I did is I switched them up. I put my Sony A9 on the 400mm and I put the Sony A7R V on the 70-200. What I wanted to test is how good the Sony A7R V 8K video is against maybe 4K video on the Sony A9. This does 8K, the Sony A7R V, that's what I'm filming with right now. The Sony A9, which I have in my bag down there, that doesn't do 8K, but it does 4K 120. The Sony A7R V doesn't do 4K 120, it does 4K 60 frames per second. So I thought I'll give this a test out, do a shootout, film in 8K, then export all the videos into 4K and see if the 8K downsampled will be better than the 4K 120 from the Sony A9. So I'll play the videos for you one after the other and you guys can make up your mind. I am still gonna make another video. I did promise you guys that I'm gonna make a video about how you can become a sports photographer in England, if you're already in the country, in the UK that is, and that was how you can do it working as a club photographer, how you can do it by getting accreditation by Football Data Co, which is a very complicated process but doable, and how you can work for agencies to get into games, or the last one that I didn't include in that video that I'm going to do is how you can attend games as a player photographer. I'll do that video maybe on Tuesday, but for today you guys get a chance to look at 8K video versus 4K video, Sony A7R V versus Sony A9, the pictures out of the cameras, the wildlife ones. You can find those on my Instagram. So cheers guys, and see you soon.